Do people often overlook you, interrupt you, or fail to take you seriously? It's not about being loud or aggressive. Respect is earned through quiet strength and understanding the rules of human behavior. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 life-changing strategies, backed by science and real-world examples, to command respect in any room you walk into. Stay till the end, and I'll share a bonus tip used by world leaders to leave an unforgettable impression. Respect is one of the most valuable currencies in the world. Whether it's in your personal relationships, your workplace, or even among strangers, being respected can open doors to endless opportunities. Today, we'll explore what truly makes people command respect. These are not just random opinions, but psychological and behavioral tactics used by some of the most successful people in the world. Over 70% of communication is nonverbal. If you walk into a room with slouched shoulders, avoiding eye contact, and hesitant movements, people subconsciously perceive you as less confident. On the other hand, standing tall, maintaining eye contact, and using open gestures can instantly make you seem more credible and assertive. Example: research by Amy Cuddy found that power poses can alter your brain chemistry, increasing confidence. People respect those who make them feel heard. In conversations, resist the urge to talk about yourself or interrupt. Instead, listen actively, nod occasionally, and reflect on what's being said. The more you show genuine interest, the more people will value your presence. Example: Oprah Winfrey is known for her extraordinary ability to listen, making people feel valued and respected in her interviews. Respect starts with self-respect. If you allow others to overstep your boundaries, whether it's in time, energy, or personal space, they'll subconsciously value you less. Politely but firmly saying no when necessary shows that you prioritize your values and time. Example: a story about a professional who declined extra tasks outside their role, gaining more respect from their team. Every word you say carries weight if you let it. Avoid filler words like or constant apologies. When you speak, pause intentionally and use concise language. This conveys confidence and makes people pay closer attention to your words. Tip: practice your speaking skills by reading out loud or joining a group like Toastmasters. Respect is a two-way street. Genuinely appreciating others, whether it's a compliment, a thank you, or acknowledging their achievements, goes a long way in building mutual respect. The key is sincerity. Fake compliments can do more harm than good. Example: share a personal story of how showing respect to a colleague created a stronger bond. Now, you have 5 powerful strategies to command respect wherever you go. But here's the bonus tip I promised. Be consistent. Respect is not a one-time event. It's built through repeated actions over time. If you show up with confidence, listen actively, and treat people with genuine care, respect will naturally follow. Which of these strategies resonated with you the most? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more life-changing insights.